In this video, we will compare two popular home security systems: the Firstrend 108 OP wireless NVR system and the Swann 4K security camera system. Both systems offer unique features tailored for home surveillance, but which one is the better choice for your needs? We'll explore their specifications, pricing, and performance to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to pricing, the Firstrend 108 OP wireless NVR system is priced at $380, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking to enhance their home security without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Swann 4K security camera system is priced at $449. While it is more expensive, it offers advanced features that may justify the higher cost for some users. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and security needs. In terms of video quality, the Firstrend system offers 1080p HD resolution, providing clear and decent footage for most home security needs. However, the Swann system takes it a step further with 4K Ultra HD resolution, which delivers stunning clarity and detail, especially beneficial for identifying faces or license plates. If video quality is a top priority for you, the Swann system is the clear winner. When it comes to storage capacity, the Firstrend system comes with a generous 3 TB hard drive pre-installed, allowing for extensive video storage and playback options. In contrast, the Swann system includes a 2 TB hard drive, which, while still substantial, offers less storage for recorded footage. For users who prioritize long-term storage of video recordings, the Firstrend system provides a significant advantage. In conclusion, both the Firstrend 108 OP wireless NVR system and the Swann 4K security camera system have their strengths and weaknesses. The Firstrend system is more affordable and offers greater storage capacity, while the Swann system excels in video quality. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either option could be a great choice for enhancing your home security. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.